Imagine a device so powerful, so intelligent, and so deeply integrated into your daily life that it transforms your TV into the smartest, sharpest, most immersive digital window you've ever experienced. And that is exactly what the Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be, a next-generation entertainment hub designed to redefine how you watch, play, listen, and interact with your home, combining breathtaking performance, cinema-grade visuals, console-level gaming, and Apple's brand-new AI engine into one sleek, silent, future-proof box that turns any television into a full Apple ecosystem powerhouse. For years, people have treated the Apple TV like just another streaming device, something you use to open Netflix, browse YouTube, or occasionally play Apple Arcade games. But once you see what Apple is preparing for 2025, you'll understand that this is no longer a streaming box, it's the future brain of your home. Powered by the A17 Pro chip, the same silicon used in flagship iPhones, delivering insane GPU performance, real-time ray tracing, next-level thermal efficiency, and lightning-fast app switching. It's making this tiny box faster than many laptops and more powerful than any streaming device currently available. This leap in performance doesn't just make menus smoother or apps open faster. It unlocks full console-style gaming, letting you play titles with stunning graphics, realistic shadows, complex physics, and gameplay that feels like a PlayStation or Xbox, but without the noise, heat, bulk, or constant updates. Developers will finally have the horsepower to bring massive titles to TVOs, meaning games like Resident Evil Village, Assassin's Creed Mirage, NBA 2K, and future AAA releases could run flawlessly right on your TV without any console at all, making the Apple TV 4K 2025 the perfect silent mini-console for families, casual gamers, and anyone who wants powerful gaming without the hassle of dedicated hardware. But Apple isn't stopping at performance. This year's model pushes video quality to a level that feels almost unreal. With rumored support for 8K HDR, advanced dynamic frame rate switching, and AI-powered upscaling that makes even old content look fresh, sharp, and incredibly lifelike. Whether you're streaming a blockbuster movie, watching live sports, or binge-watching your favorite shows, the new Apple TV will analyze every frame in real time using machine learning, boosting detail in faces, textures, and environments, enhancing shadows, reducing noise, sharpening edges, and improving motion with a precision that standard TVs simply cannot match. Even if you don't own an 8K TV, you'll still benefit from dramatically improved picture quality because Apple's AI upscaler will make 1080p and 4K content look significantly better, almost as if it was remastered just for your screen. This leap in video quality pairs perfectly with Apple's new spatial audio upgrades, rumored to include next-generation adaptive sound processing that calibrates the audio experience to your room layout, detecting your seating position, your wall reflections, and even your furniture placement to deliver deeper bass, sharper dialogue, and more immersive surround effects. If you use HomePods, the experience becomes even more cinematic. The Apple TV 4K 2025 will integrate with them in a way that turns to HomePods into a theater-grade audio system, delivering room-filling sound that rivals expensive home theater setups without the complexity of multiple speakers, wires, or receivers. Apple is also preparing a major leap in intelligence with the introduction of Apple Intelligence on TVOs, transforming the Apple TV into a personalized AI companion that understands your routines, your preferences, your mood, and the time of day to suggest the perfect content instantly. Instead of scrolling endlessly, you can simply say things like, "Show me something relaxing," "Find a great family movie," or "Recommend something quick I only have 20 minutes." And the Apple TV will instantly surface tailored options across all your apps. Siri becomes far more capable, offering a powered search, smarter content discovery, personalized highlights, real-time summaries, and even the ability to explain or recap previous episodes if you forgot what happened. With Continuity Camera, your iPhone can seamlessly act as a webcam, turning your TV into a massive FaceTime display or allowing fitness apps to track your movements more accurately during workouts. One of the most exciting rumored updates is a brand new Siri remote, potentially featuring improved button placement, refined tactile feedback, haptic responses, and a small, touch-based navigation system that avoids the frustrations of the previous models. Apple may also include Find My integration so you never lose your remote again. Of course, the new remote will use USB-C, aligning with Apple's universal transition across all devices. But the Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just an entertainment device, it's also a powerful smart home hub, supporting Matter, Thread, HomeKit, and advanced AI-based automations that make your home more intelligent without any effort. Your lights can dim automatically when a movie starts. Your thermostat can adjust when you sit down. Your cameras can appear picture-in-picture when motion is detected. And your doorbell can show up instantly on your TV without interrupting the content you're watching. Apple wants the Apple TV to act as the heartbeat of your smart home, a silent, reliable device that manages your routines, your energy usage, and your home security with zero maintenance. And then there's the design rumor suggests Apple may introduce a slimmer, more modern body, possibly wall-mountable or with improved ventilation, offering a more premium look that blends seamlessly into your home setup. Some leaks even hint at multiple configurations, including a more affordable entry model aimed at expanding the Apple TV user base worldwide. And yes, speaking of price, there's a real possibility Apple will lower the starting price this year to make the Apple TV more competitive as they push Apple Intelligence onto every screen possible. This means you could get a device with flagship performance, premium, build quality, future-proof 8K support, advanced AI capabilities, and Apple's unmatched ecosystem integration at a surprisingly accessible price. And that ecosystem integration is where the Apple TV 4K 2025 shines brightest. Your iPhone becomes your remote and keyboard. Your iPad becomes a gaming controller. Your Mac can extend its display wirelessly with ultra-low latency. Your AirPods switch automatically with spatial audio. And your Apple Watch interacts effortlessly with fitness content. Everything works together in the polished, seamless, it just works a way that only Apple can deliver. The deeper you go into the leaks, the clearer it becomes that the Apple TV 4K 2025 is not just a refresh, it's a complete evolution. A device designed to transform your television into the intelligent core of your home, elevating entertainment, gaming, smart home control, and daily convenience in a way no competitor is even close to offering. It's faster, smarter, more capable, more immersive, and more future-ready than anything Apple has created in this category. Whether you're building a home theater, expanding your smart home, or simply wanting a premium streaming experience with the smoothest interface on the market, the Apple TV 4K 2025 promises to be one of the most impressive and influential Apple products of the year. A device that doesn't just upgrade your TV, it upgrades your entire home. In the end, the Apple TV 4K 2025 isn't just another tech upgrade, it's a bold shift toward the future of home entertainment. Combining raw performance, breathtaking visuals, immersive sound, smart home intelligence, and deep ecosystem integration in a way no other device can match. Apple is clearly building something far bigger than a streaming box. They're creating a true digital hub for movies, music, games, apps, communication, fitness, and home automation, all powered by next-level AI that understands you and adapts to you. Whether you're a gamer, a movie lover, a family user, a smart home enthusiast, or someone who simply wants the smoothest, fastest, cleanest TV experience available, the Apple TV 4K 2025 is shaping up to be a complete game changer. Quiet, powerful, future-proof, and designed to elevate every moment you spend in front of your screen. If even half these leaks become reality, this isn't just the best Apple TV ever made. It's the beginning of a new era, where your television becomes the smartest device in your home, and the Apple TV becomes the heart of everything.